This is Morgan with the East Adams Library District, and I am here today to have a quick library minute with you. We're all at home together, and one of the great things that we could be doing is scanning our family photos, our historical documents, and a really fun, easy way to do that is with Google Photos. So if you are on your cell phone, open up your Google Photos app, and you'll see up here at the top left-hand corner, you have a drop-down list, and that drop-down list, just scan down to PhotoScan, and you have this screen, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your family photos, and I have one here, and you press the center button at the bottom, okay? And you'll see as it scans, it's taking multiple pictures across that photo. So what it's doing is taking the photos and then overlaying multiple images to create the scan. So we've created the scan, and we can click on the bottom right. We see previous scans. We click into this one. And the great thing about this is that if the scan is uneven, if it comes out a little bit wonky, go ahead and adjust the corners. So you can see the entire photo there. You can move the corners around, and it brings up a magnifying glass to let you know exactly where you want to put that corner. You can move this one around a little bit. We say done. And that photo is now scanned into your Google account. It'll upload into your full account, and from there you can share it with friends and family. So if you have any questions, please contact us, and we're excited to see you at our website at eastadamslibrarydistrict.com.